Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you people are good and enjoying these videos and doing the problems in your home, also trying by taking your own numbers. In the previous class we have studied about rationalizing the factors by taking three different types of questions, and here one more new type of question I am going to solve you, and remaining I will give you as homework. You need to perform in your home and concentrate it very carefully how we are going to. It is a little bit difficult problem. Here we need to use the identities also. Okay, so the question is given: simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. We know very well what is the denominator. The number below the line is called it as denominator. Here we need to rationalize the denominator. So the question is given 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. So whatever the question is given, that we are taking as given. Then after that we need to take the rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor is nothing but denominator. We are taking the term given in the denominator by changing the sign. So same term, just we are changing the sign, plus to minus, minus to plus, vice versa we have to go for. So now after that, the second most important question thing is we need to multiply in the numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor. So the question is given as 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. This we are multiplying with rationalizing factor. What is our rationalizing factor? Yes, exactly. 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. This is our rationalizing factor. In the numerator, in the denominator, both side we are multiplying. You are observing here, this is 6 minus 4 root 2, this is also 6 minus 4 2. We are having these both are like terms. So here in the rough column I will show you, whenever there is x into x, we will do x square. So here also, as we are having the like terms, we need to get multiply to them. So 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square. In this form I am writing. The second one you are observing here, this is 6 plus root 2, this is 6 minus root 2, 4 root 2. This is in the form of a plus b, and this is in the form of a minus b. Okay. So we have one identity also. Since using this identity a plus b, a minus b, we are having a square minus b square. Okay. Based on this identity I am solving this, and by comparing this you are getting a value as 6. Most important, don't forget first how to write the value of a and b. If you are not writing, you will get confused. Whenever the substitution is there, you may commit the mistake. So write the values of a is 6 and b is 4 root 2. This is your a value and b value. Now you need to start substitution. So I said you, by using that identity a plus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square, you need to convert into a square minus b square. A you are having, b you are having. So this is 6 square minus 4 root 2 whole square. Is that clear? Again in the numerator you are finding, this is a minus b square. Again you need to use one more law, that is a minus b whole square. You are having a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a minus b whole square can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. In that form we are going to convert. Again you are having the values of a and b same only. So a is 6 square minus 2ab. 2 into, what is a? A is 6. What is b? 4 root 2. 4 root 2 plus, then b square. What is b? 4 root 2. 4 root 2 whole square. Okay, this denominator. In the denominator you are having 6 square and you are having 4 root 2 whole square. This I will explain you in the rough column how to solve this 4 root 2 whole square. Okay, based on laws of exponents we are having a form a power m or ab whole power m. So at that time we are writing a power m into b power m. Here also there are two terms, 4 and root 2. So at that time what we have to do? ab whole power m. This is in this form. We need to convert in this form. A power m, b power m we have to give. So what is a here? A is 4 and b is root 2. So we have to separate, we have to give the powers separately to them. This is 4 square, and between these two numbers we are having an operation of multiplication. So 4 square into this root 2 square, we can write it as root 2 whole square. This square and root get cancelled. 4 square is how much? 16. And again we are having operation multiplication. This root square and square both are got cancelled and we are having here 2. So 16 into 2 is nothing but 32. So the value of 4 root 2 whole square, you got it as 32. In every step it will be difficult to you people to go on substituting, solving and all. So it is better in a rough column you just solve it, and once you need to substitute, because you are getting 2 times here. One is in the numerator here 4 root 2 square, and in the denominator also you are getting. So no need of going on substitution, directly one time in the rough column you can solve, simplify it, and direct answer you can write it. So here you got 4 root 2 whole square value as 32. So 6 square is how much? 36. 4 root 2 whole square you got it as 32. Hopefully it is clear to you people. Now the next step, 6 square 36. Now here maybe you people are having a confusion how to multiply such type of numbers. Nothing to worry here. This is 2, 6, 4. These all are numbers. So we need to multiply those numbers only. 2 into 6 is 12. Again 12 into 4 is 48. Then what about root 2? We need to keep as it is. So 2 into 6 12. 12 into 4 is 48. Minus 48 and root 2. 48 root 2. Plus 4 root 2 whole square you got it as 32. Here you need to write 32. This we are dividing by 36 minus 32. You are getting the answer as 4. Is it clear till now here? Hopefully you are not having any doubts. So now you are finding here one more number 36, one is 32, and both are positive only. So we need to do the addition. 36 plus 32, how much it is? Yes, 68. 30 plus 30, 60, 66, 67, 68. So 68 minus 48 root 2, this we are dividing by 4. Now we have to check out, as the denominator is 4 here, whether we are going to this factors of 68 or not. In 4 table, whether it is getting divisible or not, we need to check. So yes, it is going to check. It is going to get divisible by. Okay. So 68 we can multiply as 4 into 7. Okay. 4 into 7 you will get 68, and minus 4 into 12 you will get it as 4 into 12 is 48. Root 2 we need to keep as it is. In the denominator also 4 we are keeping as it is. So what you are observing? Yes, in the numerator 4 is common. So you need to take out 4 as common. When you have taken out common, what is left out? 17 minus 12 root 2. Okay, this is in the numerator, and in the denominator you are having 4. This 4 get cancelled in the numerator and denominator. So the final left out terms are 17 minus 12 root 2. This is your final answer. Hopefully the explanation is clear to you people. Similar to these problems, I will give more few questions you need to try in your home. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next video with another concept. Jazakallahu khair.